Shensea's rise was not just a breakthrough, it was a crossover campaign with serious stakes. She started inside Jamaica's dancehall ecosystem, where Romic Entertainment helped sharpen the early foundation, the sound, the visuals, the fan connection, and the Shen Yang identity. But the bigger play was never only local fame, it was export power. The pivot came with Interscope, where Shenseea could be positioned beyond a single lane. Her debut album Alpha put dancehall beside rap, pop, R&B, and reggae, with collaborations tied to names like Megan Thee Stallion, 21 Savage, Offset, Sean Paul, and Beanie Man. Then Kanye West's Donda widened the signal. Suddenly, her voice was moving through a massive hip hop audience, not as a guest from the margins, but as part of the main conversation. That is the strategy. Use collaborations as bridges, not shortcuts. By the Never Gets Late Here era, the brand looked even more global. Jamaican identity at the core, polished visuals, cross market features, and festival ready ambition for stages like Coachella and Rolling Loud. Shensea's blueprint is clear: protect the culture, expand the language, and move like an artist with a founder's mindset.